देख रहे हैं HTC Glad Rags Mrs. India 2015, a TV reality series driven by Tata Bolt. आज का टास्क किसी भी एंगल से सिंपल तो नहीं है, पर हमारे कंटेस्टेंट्स के लिए अब कुछ मुश्किल भी तो नहीं। तो होगा ये, हमारी हर एक कंटेस्टेंट बताएंगी वो हमें टाटा बोल्ट के फीचर्स के बारे में। Let's drive into the future. Let's get set bolt.
गर्ल्स अगला टास्क आ चुका है। इंडिया's first multi-drive car, Bolt from Tata Motors. You have to model for the car. Girls, we have to pull up our socks. Because elimination task है ये।
Cars are tough, we have to speak on. I know, and tougher to drive. I hope I don't have to drive. Chalo guys, come on.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Maureen Wadia again, and you're watching the HTC Glad Rags Mrs. India reality series driven by Tata Bolt. Men say that women can't read road maps. So, today we put the contestants to a test to see how much they knew about cars. Watch and see and judge for yourself.
आ गई है भारत की पहली मल्टी ड्राइव कार टाटा बोल्ट, जिसमें है मल्टी ड्राइव मोड, स्पोर्ट, इको और सिटी। इसका हाईटेक इंफोटेनमेंट सिस्टम हरमन की कोलैबोरेशन से डिजाइन किया गया है। Go make the world stop with its snazzy interiors and sporty outlook. Go get Bolt, the best in its class.
आखिरकार भारत की मल्टी ड्राइव मोड कार पावर्ड बाय टाटा मोटर्स, जो है हैचबैक बट सेडान का कंफर्ट देती है, वो आ ही गई। और क्यों ना हो, इसमें है रिवोट्रॉन 1.2 लीटर टर्बोचार्ज पावर पेट्रोल इंजन, म्यूजिक सिस्टम बाय हार्मन, और ये स्पीड के हिसाब से वॉइस भी कंट्रोल कर लेती है। सो ऑल माय बोल्ड एंड ब्यूटीफुल लेडीज, व्हाट आर यू वेटिंग फॉर? बी बोल्ड बाय बोल्ट।
See my new car, Tata Bolt. Yes, India's first multi-drive system, which has a eco, sports and city, and it's designed by the Jaguar designer Ribotron, and engine capacity is 1.2 liters. The music system is from Harman Kardon, which has a voice control. You can change your track, you can connect your Bluetooth, you can receive your call, you can read your SMS notification, and in fact, this car is so spacious that behind seat, if I put my baby car seat also, you have enough space for the two people to sit. So get set Bolt.
बाहर से खूबसूरत दिखना और कुछ स्पेशल क्वालिटीज बनाती हैं आपको परफेक्ट। इसीलिए टाटा मोटर्स लेके आए हैं बोल्ट, द परफेक्ट कार, इंडिया की मल्टी ड्राइव कार। तो इंतजार किस बात का है? स्पोर्ट्स मोड में गाड़ी को डालिए, हरमन इंफोटेनमेंट सिस्टम पे लाउड म्यूजिक सुनिए, एंड लेट्स गेट सेट बोल्ट फॉर द परफेक्ट यू। टाटा बोल्ट भारत का पहला मल्टी ड्राइव मोड कार, मेरे और मेरे परिवार के लिए परफेक्ट। चलिए देखते हैं टाटा मोटर्स के इस हैचबैक में कौन से फीचर्स है। कनेक्ट नेक्स्ट इंफोटेनमेंट म्यूजिक सिस्टम बाय हरमन, स्मार्टफोन एनेबल नेविगेशन बाय मैप माई ड्राइव, SMS नोटिफिकेशन एंड रीड आउट, लेटेस्ट 9 Gen ABS बाय बॉश विद EBD एंड CSC। इसका लेग स्पेस बहुत ही ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल है। ECAS स्टीयरिंग व्हील, वाओ। गेट सेट बोल्ट, टाटा बोल्ट।
हम सबको अपनी लाइफ में कुछ एक्स्ट्रा चाहिए, एक्स्ट्रा रोमांस, एक्स्ट्रा एनर्जी। तो ये है मेरी नई टाटा बोल्ट की न्यू कार विद एक्स्ट्रा फीचर, एक्स्ट्रा कंफर्ट एंड एक्स्ट्रा सेफ्टी एंड ब्यूटीफुल इंटीरियर। स्टीयरिंग में ही आप अब वॉल्यूम को कम या ज़्यादा कर सकते हैं, एंड हियर इज वॉइस कंट्रोल। अगर आप ड्राइव कर रहे हैं और कहीं बिजी हैं तो आपको सिर्फ यहाँ से बटन प्रेस करके आप अपनी कॉल को रिजेक्ट कर सकते हैं। यहाँ बॉटल रखने का स्पेस दिया है। It's a beautiful car with beautiful interior.
टाटा मोटर्स, a trusted name in quality and after sales service, लेकर आए हैं इंडिया की पहली मल्टी ड्राइव कार with Rivotron 1.2 लीटर टर्बोचार्ज पेट्रोल इंजन। टाटा बोल्ट एक ऐसी कार है जिसके रिवॉल्यूशनरी गियर सिस्टम से आपको सिटी एंड हाईवे पे मैक्सिमम माइलेज मिल सकता है। आइसिंग ऑन द केक,
इसका exclusively designed Connect Next Info Entertainment System by Harman and Generation 9 Safety System by Bosch. तो फिर देर किस बात की है? Take your test drive. Get set bold. Be ready. Be you. Be bold.
ये है मेरी नई कार Bolt by Tata Motors. It has the best comfort, design and safety features for your entire family. ये भारत की सबसे पहली मल्टी ड्राइव कार है. With its amazing connectivity and navigation through Map My India, come on, let's get set. Bolt.
मेरी नई गाड़ी बोल्ट बाय टाटा मोटर्स ना सिर्फ सेक्सी कलर्स में आती है लाइक दिस हॉट रेड, बट इसके 3 वेरिएंट्स भी है, इको, स्पोर्ट एंड सिटी. और ये मल्टी ड्राइव में आती है फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन इंडिया. बट इसकी सबसे खास बात है इसकी सेफ्टी फीचर्स. इसमें ABS बाय बॉश है अलॉन्ग विद EBD एंड ड्यूअल एयरबैग्स. सो इफ यू रियली लव योर फैमिली एंड यू केयर फॉर देम, बाय योरसेल्फ अ टाटा बोल्ट. गेट सेट बोल्ट.
ये है मेरी टाटा बोल्ट, the only car with multi-drive mode. Cabin के है इंटीरियर स्पोर्टी. Connect Next Infotainment by Harman के है फीचर्स काफी. स्मार्टफोन नेविगेशन और वॉल्यूम कंट्रोल के हैं ऑप्शंस ग्रेट. ABS by Bosch बनाता है इसे सेफ एंड पॉश. कैबिन का स्पेस एंड कंफर्ट है ग्रेट फॉर यू एंड आई टू गो ऑन ड्राइव डेट. सो लेट्स रॉक द रोड विद द बोल्ट. Let me show you my new car. Isn't it very stylish? And do you know it's India's first hatchback with multi-drive mode of sport, eco and city. And for an entertainment freak like me, it has Connect Next Infotainment from Harman. And the tap screen, you can do a lot many from here. You can operate the AC, can turn on the Bluetooth and also can connect your smartphone and can do the navigation by Map My India. And also you can read your SMS and call outs from here too. Also you can view the video and image from here. Finally, a perfect way to get ahead with technology. So when are you buying your Tata Bolt car? Get set, hold.
आज ऑटो मार्केट में इतनी कंपटीशन है, ढेर सारे ऑप्शंस, ढेर सारे चॉइसेस, लेकिन कुछ खास नहीं है, कुछ इनोवेटिव नहीं है, अनलाइक टाटा बोल्ट. भारत की पहली कार मल्टी ड्राइव ऑप्शंस के साथ. स्पोर्ट्स फॉर द अल्टीमेट बूस्ट ऑफ पावर, इको फॉर अनमैच्ड माइलेज एंड city for that I can have the perfect balance.
My heart is racing because aa gayi hai Tata ki all new Bolt with 3 multi-drive features of eco, sport and city. Revitron का लगा है engine of 1.2 liters, torque of 140 Nm, power 90 PS. Connect Next Harman Music System and safety की क्या बात करूँ, Bosch के लगे हैं ABS. So what are you waiting for? Get set bolt.
भारत में पहली बार टाटा मोटर्स लेके आए हैं मल्टी ड्राइव मोड के साथ टाटा बोल्ट. Get incredible power and remarkable fuel efficiency with multi drive mode. अब अपनी हर जर्नी को मेमोरेबल बनाइए with high-tech infotainment system in collaboration with Harman. Get the sporty exterior and snazzy interior with Tata Bolt. So what are you waiting for? Go get Bolt.
Hey, आज मेरी एनिवर्सरी है और मुझे एक ब्यूटीफुल गिफ्ट मिला है. India's first multi-drive car that can do anything and everything. रास्ते ढूंढने हैं, Map My India का नेविगेशन सिस्टम है and mileage की no tension. पार्टी के लिए लेट हो रहे हैं? Just buckle your seat belt and drive on the sports mode. और बहुत कुछ करिए वॉइस कमांड रिकग्निशन से. Send messages, text, enable music और क्या चाहिए? Just get set bolt. भारत की पहली मल्टी ड्राइव कार बोल्ट फ्रॉम टाटा. इसमें आप अपने स्मार्टफोन कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं एंड यू कैन डू नेविगेशन फ्रॉम मैप्स माई इंडिया. लेटेस्ट 9th जनरेशन सेफ्टी का, ड्यूअल एयरबैग्स, कॉर्नर स्टेबिलिटी कंट्रोल, EBD और क्या चाहिए. मैंने तो अपनी बोल्ट खरीद ली है और आपने?
Good evening, ladies. Once again, it gives me pleasure to introduce our judge, For tonight in the Tata Bolt elimination, you were given a task, and we have looked at the footage in great detail, and we have some verdicts. My very famous judge is Mr. Sanjay Gadvi, who needs no introduction because of the amount of dhoom that he carries with him wherever he goes. And here we go on the Tata Bolt task.
Gargi, hi.
Good evening, sir.
I liked what you did with the Tata Bolt. You bring in the right kind of poise. Maureen and I jointly felt that we came upon the word sophisticated.
Thank you, sir.
I think it was sophisticatedly stylish.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Priya, you definitely do overact. And if there is somebody who knows about overacting, it's the gentleman on my left. You're saying the correct things, but it's a little over the top. You need to tone it down.
Okay.
Hi, Shilpi.
Shilpi.
I'm very happy with Shilpi's progress, Maureen.
I think she did very well in
She
this
controlled
task.
her face. You managed the lines, and although I saw you fumbling a little bit, but I saw a great degree of improvement, and she's on the right track.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Good evening, judges.
You know, the one thing I felt when I was watching her Tata Bolt ad,
You wanted to bolt out and buy one?
yes, I felt like buying one, but it felt like an ad.
Yes. Good effort and well done.
Thank you,
You're
ma'am.
improving with time.
Thank you very much.
Good evening, Rachel.
Rachel, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Tell me, when you were doing this, did you write the dialogues at different parts of the, because it looked to me as if you were reading, Rachel.
Really?
You were like a parrot. There was no credibility in what you said.
Yeah, sincerity.
Yes.
It's not coming across sincere.
It just came along and it just sort of rattled.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, sir.
You made a good ad.
एक ही थोड़ा सा कॉमेडी मेरे को लगा कि आप जैसे डांट रही थी, गाड़ी खरीदो वरना.
Good evening, judges. Keshika.
I would say a very confident young lady. It was
True.
quite a sales pitch.
I'm beginning to like Keshika more and more.
Thank you so much.
Chaitra, I was firstly shocked with the dress that you were wearing. It was just like, in your face types. But I think you pulled it off.
You obviously know how to sell a car.
Well done, Chaitra.
Well
Keep it up.
done.
Thank you, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening.
Neena
And the
from
same
Goa.
swagger which that you had in the ad, which is good. It had a lot of bouncing energy in it.
I like everything she does.
Thank you.
Next.
Good evening, judges. Aprajita.
Good evening, Sanjay. Had quite a few
I
criticisms as
did
well.
not believe what you said. It's because you did not believe what you were saying.
But there was no conviction in what you said.
Yeah.
So it was a kind of fake.
Okay.
You were not justifying why you would buy a Bolt.
Okay.
Anuja,
Nobody is going just to accept the fact that if a company has given you a brief, you have to follow the storyline, which is you have dialogue. You didn't say a word, you just walked around the car as if you were in love with the car, kissing the car goodbye.
I remember what I said last time. I said you were hot. You probably carried that in your head and you carried it too far.
If the Tata people were here, they'd be furious.
Yeah. Anushri.
Yes.
Hi. Not so smooth. It could have been smoother. The only thing I can say is to speak naturally as much as possible.
Next.
Good evening, Swati.
You were coming across not comfortable in that dress.
It was an evening dress with a day car, which actually didn't gel.
Good evening, judges.
Good
Anushri.
evening.
So we had spoken something last time where I said that you need to go sexy and seductive, and so you kind of took that advice. So I've written out here in a very joking way that baby grew up slightly.
Next.
Good evening, judges.
Hi.
Hi.
I think she improved immensely from last time. It was better, okay, but not knockout mind blowing.
आप देख रहे हैं HTC Glad Rags Mrs. India 2015, a TV reality show driven by Tata Bolt. बस वक्त है अब छोटे से ब्रेक का, हम जल्दी वापस आएंगे।
हेलो गांधी, आई नीड यू, कुछ बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है।
तुम्हारी प्रॉब्लम्स कभी खत्म होने का नाम ही नहीं लेती सेवता। प्लीज डोंट डिस्टर्ब।
एक तरफ जहाँ बढ़ रही हैं दूरियां, वहीं दूसरी तरफ
सब ठीक हो जाएगा।
कोई आ रहा है पास। साटा हक, Monday to Saturday 6:30 PM only on V.
Ma'am, the new Bolt is ready for test drive. Sir, the new Bolt with the powerful Revitron 1.2 turbo. Yes, it also has an
touchscreen infotainment system, SMS readouts, voice command and navigation.
Yes, it also has a
9th gen ABS with EBD.
The multi-drive, multi-feature Bolt.
Get set Bolt.
Dad, how's this?
Anita.
Is this nice?
Beta, this is too much.
Dad, please. आपने अपने घर की हालत देखी है? It's very bad.
Yeah, but
what? वैसे भी ये सिर्फ आपके लिए नहीं है।
मेरे लिए नहीं मतलब?
Dad, डिवोर्स लिया है ना? संन्यास तो नहीं लिया ना?
अच्छा।
वक्त के साथ घर चाहे जितने बदल जाएं, उन्हें प्यार से सजाएंगे हम। बॉम्बे डाइन, चेंज इज ब्यूटीफुल।
फॉर्च्यून राइस ब्रांड हेल्थ क्यों? क्योंकि सिर्फ राइस ब्रांड ऑयल में है ओराइजनॉल, जो गुड कोलेस्ट्रॉल बढ़ाए, बैड कोलेस्ट्रॉल घटाए और बॉडी में कोलेस्ट्रॉल कम पैदा होने दे। और हाँ, सिर्फ हार्ट ही नहीं, स्किन, इम्यूनिटी, हॉर्मोन्स सब हेल्दी रहे।
100% राइस ब्रांड ऑयल, 100% हेल्थ।
एक बार फिर आप सबका स्वागत है टू HTC Glad Rags Mrs. India 2015, a TV reality series driven by Tata Bolt.
Hi Anika. What you need to keep in mind is that make yourself bubblier maybe, you know. It's like, you know, I wanted you to be good.
Yeah.
And you're not as good as I wanted you to be.
Good evening, Shaman. You've lost so much weight, but in that car you sat there with this huge paunch.
One fatal error is that the attention of people who are watching should not go on anything else.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Well, we've come to a judgment. So the following girls whose numbers I call out and names may leave. Girl 1, 2 and 3. You're scot-free. Girl 4, you're safe. Girl 5, you're not safe. And girl 6 can go. Number 7 can leave. Number 8 can leave. 12 and 13 can go. 11 must stay. 14, 15, 16. 15 and 16 can bolt. 14 is in danger. Number 17 and number 18. Which one of you should we penalize and which one of you should remain behind? I think
both of them can go.
Both of you can bolt.
अपराजिता, मुझे अगर एक मौका मिला है कि मैं गाड़ी बेचूं, तो there has to be full conviction, and that I think is the reason you're in the danger zone.
I'm sorry about this.
Swati, both Sanjay and I felt that it was a wrong dress, wrong choice, totally. You know, the dress was sexy, the car was a casual car. And we're talking about sporty and eco and all that sort of thing. And there you were breezing by as if you were at the Oscars.
आप देख रहे हैं HTC Glad Rags Mrs. India 2015, a TV reality show driven by Tata Bolt. बस वक्त है अब छोटे से ब्रेक का, हम जल्दी वापस आएंगे।
हेलो रणधीर, आई नीड यू, कुछ बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है।
तुम्हारी प्रॉब्लम्स कभी खत्म होने का नाम ही नहीं लेती सेवता। प्लीज डोंट डिस्टर्ब।
एक तरफ जहाँ बढ़ रही हैं दूरियां, वहीं दूसरी तरफ
सब ठीक हो जाएगा।
कोई आ रहा है पास। साटा हक, Monday to Saturday 6:30 p.m. only on V.
Ma'am, the new Bolt is ready for test drive. Sir, the new Bolt with the powerful Revitron 1.2 turbo. Yes, it also has an
touchscreen infotainment system, SMS readouts, voice command and navigation.
Yes, it also has a
9th Gen ABS with EBD. The multi-drive, multi-feature Bolt.
Get set Bolt.
फॉर्च्यून राइस ब्रांड हेल्थ क्यों? क्योंकि सिर्फ राइस ब्रान ऑयल में है और राइजनॉल, जो गुड कोलेस्ट्रॉल बढ़ाए, बैड कोलेस्ट्रॉल घटाए और बॉडी में कोलेस्ट्रॉल कम पैदा होने दे। और हाँ, सिर्फ हार्ट ही नहीं, स्किन, इम्यूनिटी, हॉर्मोन्स सब हेल्दी रहे।
100% rice bran oil, 100% health.
Walk on by. You got the look. The talk of the town and the queen of style. You got the look.
I'm a capricci girl.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh yeah. Let's go out for an amul ice cream. Come on, come on, come on. Oh yeah. Triton, frosting, pro life, sugar-free sundae. Utterly delicious. Chalo, 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 oh yeah. Let's go out for an amul ice cream. Come on, come on, come on, oh yeah. First time I saw you walk on by. You got the look. The talk of the town and the queen of style. You got the look.
I'm a capricci girl.
I'm your rock star, just me and my guitar. First time I saw you walk on by. You got the look. The talk of the town and the queen of style. You got the look.
I'm a capricci girl.
on by. You've got the look, the talk of the town and the queen of style. You've got the look.
I'm a caprese girl.
Welcome to the world of Bombay Velvet.
Hang on, लेकिन हम black and white क्यों?
60s की फिल्म तो सब कुछ ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट बना दिया। अरे रणबीर, लेकिन कलर्स तो हम ले आए ना, सीक्रेट्स के, इमोशंस के,
रोमांस के। तो तैयार हैं आप जिंदगी के सारे रंग
मेरे रणबीर, अनुष्का और अनुराग के साथ एक्सपीरियंस करने के लिए ऑन द बॉम्बे वेलवेट क्लब, एक्सक्लूसिवली ऑन हॉटस्टार। इसको भी ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट बना दिया। ओह गॉड, खेलो फिर।
Go solo to find your favorite color.
खुद सपने सोने नहीं देते। शोर में बस एक आवाज आती है, यस आई कैन डू इट। जीतने की ये आग बुझ न पाए, ताकि जब रेस में उतरूं तो पानी में भी आग लग जाए। Swim team, only on V.
एक बार फिर आप सबका स्वागत है टू HTC Glad Rags Mrs. India 2015, a TV reality series driven by Tata Bolt.
Rachel, number 5. You know your words, but there's no conviction in what you're doing. You're just doing it. It's like somebody performing a duty without any love for that particular job.
Nearly like a robot.
So very robotic.
Very artificial.
Very. So all three of you have committed the one crime which a car saleswoman can't make. You've got to believe in the product in order to sell it. Out of the three ladies standing in front of us, the lady in blue, 14, can fly. You're safe this time, and the two ladies in red, you are in red hot danger. Both of you were not able to show the honesty behind that sales pitch, which is very important. But the one who was consistently repeating things like a parrot is you, Rachel. So the one leaving us tonight will be Rachel, and the one staying and saved is Aparjita.
Thank you, ma'am.
Rachel, in future, learn to have the courage of your convictions, which is when you give a sales pitch, believe in it.
Absolutely.
As I say, you learn more from failure than you do from success.
True. I agree too.
Thank you.
Hope this makes you
Welcome, ma'am.
stronger. All the best.
My pleasure. It was great fun being in Glad Rags Mrs. India 2015. Good luck to all the other contestants.
अब हमारी मुलाकात होगी आपसे हमारी अगले एपिसोड में, जहां लेकर आएंगे हम कुछ नए टास्क, कुछ नए सरप्राइजेस। Till then, everyone, this is the HTC Glad Rags Mrs. India 2015, a TV reality series driven by Tata Bolt.
Hi, I'm Johnny Braham, reborn in 1999 at the Glad Rags Mega Model and Manhunt Contest, a platform where dreams are given wings. An academy where Mrs. Maureen Wadia ensures that your journey is your reward. Watch out, the new star is born. Now, a reality series.
फर्निशिंग्स के लिए सिर्फ 3 चीज ही काफी है, बॉम्बे डाइंग एंड बॉम्बे डाइंग।
All the water from my skin and leaves my skin soft and supple.
टीवी एड्स मुझे हमेशा बेडशीट्स और टॉवल्स के लगते थे, जब खुद करना पड़ा तो हालत खराब।
Priya, you're just overacting.
Always better to speak in a language you're comfortable in.